So there are statements that he had said to the media. He's been vocal about his anguish and desire for answers. He wants answers, and this is what he said. He said, "I just want to know why Kelly told the court that my child's disappearance is making her famous." She said that he said it made me very sad because it is very difficult for me to accept that my child is missing. So whenever we see posts that there's a missing child, most of the time we think about the mothers, but we forget that there are fathers in all of this. So we've seen that this has taken a toll in his life, in his health, with his condition, and he really wants answers. And that statement that he said to the media, "I just want to know why Kelly said my